Hi guys, here we are at Longhurst Level crossing. I'm trying to wear with Callow. I think I don't have my phone with me, I haven't even got the timetable up. I'm having to bake off Morpeth, which is still a while down that way. The time now is about 18 past on Thursday the 28th, 2016 in July. And I think this is something like, if I can remember, Glasgow Central to Plymouth or Penzance, or it's Aberdeen or Inverness to King's Cross. All I can remember. So the crossings I'm doing along this line here are going to be a bit of a guess to when they close. There's no proper timetable for it. Oh, this is a 221 or 220. Sometimes I may not have the time for it and it's just going to be a random guess. I will try my best though, but who promises? Wait. Am I getting this the right way? Oh, it's this way. 221, 113. And I think there's a second train coming, so I did hear a horn. Nope, up we go. I'll see you next video.